Yes, ma'am.
This was TB lung. Now coming to two cases of COPDs. One is emphysema. What is emphysema? Can anybody tell me what is emphysema? Anybody? I've asked a question, not a single person is volunteering. What is this, girls? If you don't know, you say you don't know.
You weren't audible in between.
Okay, I've asked what is emphysema. Can anybody answer?
Ma'am, it is irreversible enlargement of air spaces, and that is distal to the terminal bronchioles. Along with that, there is destruction of the walls of the bronchioles.
Destruction of the wall of the
Uh,
bronchioles.
ma'am, the rest, ma'am, basically irreversible enlargement of air spaces distal to the terminal bronchioles, like the respiratory
So
bronchiole,
what is
alveolar duct,
distal to the
alveolar.
terminal? What is distal to the terminal bronchioles?
Ma'am, respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, and alveolar sac.
Yes. So here now, if it's there on your screen, you can see these are alveolar spaces. Many of them are dilated, Hana, and they have assumed a more rounded shape instead of being polygonal. Normally, if you see pictures of lung parenchyma, you'll see these alveolar spaces have a honeycomb appearance and the air spaces are polygonal in shape. But here they have assumed a rounded shape and they are dilated. And many of them are showing you broken septae. I've marked with arrows. These are broken, just hanging like that. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Broken spurs or tags of alveolar septae. Okay? So, and uh, now that I'm marking, these are dilated or distended air spaces which have assumed a rounded outline. Can you see? More than one alveolar space they have joined basically because in between the septae have been destroyed. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a very characteristic finding. The affected portion of lung will show you distended or dilated with broken septae in between. Okay, and the septae are also thinned out, thin and stretched out. Am I audible?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Audible now?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking in between.
I was just repeating in case of emphysema, you see dilated and
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you're not audible.